In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will break down the process step by step, ensuring clarity along the way. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser of choice and search for Figma. Once you have your results, go ahead and click on the link to Figma's website. Figma is an incredible tool widely used for interface design, allowing for easy collaboration and a seamless experience when creating and editing projects. Now that you've landed on the Figma homepage, it's time to log into your account. Enter your credentials, which is typically your email and password, to gain access to your workspace. After logging in, your projects will be displayed on the screen. Navigate to the canvas where the design you want to modify resides. If you are working on a specific project, open that project by clicking on it. If you're starting from scratch or accessing a new project, open the canvas where your elements are located. As your canvas unfolds before you, identify the group of objects you intend to ungroup. This could be anything from text and shapes to more complex layer combinations. There are two main ways to select the grouped objects. You can click directly on it in your design canvas or locate it from the Layers panel on the left-hand side. The Layers panel is especially helpful if your canvas is cluttered or you're dealing with intricate design elements. With your grouped items now selected, it's time to open the context menu. This is done by right-clicking directly on the selected group. A menu will pop up, giving you various options related to your selection. Among these options, you'll see Ungroup, and that's the one we're going to select. Clicking on Ungroup will immediately dismantle the existing group and separate all the individual elements. As an important final tip, double-check your Layers panel on the left. This ensures that each element is now listed as an individual layer and no longer part of a grouped folder. This is key in verifying the success of your ungrouping action. And there you have it. You've successfully ungrouped items in Figma. Remember, working with groups and ungrouping elements in Figma not only keeps your designs organized, but also allows for greater flexibility when making changes. Whether you're tweaking a design on the fly or doing a major overhaul, understanding these basics will streamline your process. Thanks for watching and happy designing.